Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about the Walmart Debit Visa gift card, and more specifically, we're going to see if we can add it into Coinbase as a payment method to buy Bitcoin with. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, I want to let you know this is a Walmart Debit Visa gift card, not to be confused with the Walmart Debit prepaid card. The difference is this card you can buy at a local Walmart. I bought this one in Orange County, and then once you buy the card, you can load cash, green cash, onto the Debit Visa card, but you cannot reload it. So you can only load it one time, and that's the difference between this and the prepaid Debit Visa gift card. But can you use this on the Coinbase app to buy Bitcoin? That's what we're going to find out. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Coinbase app. It's this blue and white one right here. If you don't have this app already, be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there, but I'm going to go ahead and open it now. All right, so I went ahead and opened up my Coinbase app, and this is the home screen. And here on the home screen, you can see your portfolio balance. So as you can see, I have a little bit of Bitcoin, only $69 worth. And you can also check the price of other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin is right down here. But if you want to try to add your Walmart Debit Visa gift card into Coinbase, you want to look down here on the bottom. There's 5 different options on this little menu line. You want to click this button right here called Settings. It looks like it has a little person up above it. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, next on this screen, you can do a couple of different options for your Coinbase account. So here you can invite friends to join Coinbase, and they let you know any kind of promotions they're running. So for example, if you use my link and sign up for Coinbase, you get a discount or some kind of bonus, and then also I get $10 of free Bitcoin. But in order to try to add your Walmart Debit Visa gift card, you want to click on this line. It's called Add a Payment Method. It's got this green button next to it. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, on this screen, you can see all the different payment methods or funding sources that you can use on Coinbase. This is a Walmart Debit Visa gift card, so I'm going to go ahead and choose this line down here called Debit Card. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, next Coinbase is asking for my full name, the full 16-digit number from the Walmart Debit Visa gift card, along with the expiration date, security code, and billing address. Usually when you're using these Walmart gift cards online, the billing address is going to be the one that you registered the Debit Visa gift card with. If you haven't registered it yet, be sure to go back and watch my other video that explains that process. But I'm going to go ahead and enter in all of this information in off screen now. All right, so I went ahead and entered in all of the required information in off screen, and then this blue button pops up right here in the middle. It's called Continue. So I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, and just a few seconds later, this error pops up. It says this card is not supported. Please try again with a different card. So it looks like, no, you cannot use a Walmart Debit Visa gift card on the Coinbase app for some reason. I'm actually not too sure why that is, especially since this is a debit Visa and we also paid cash and put cash on this card. If you happen to know, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know why that might be. But hopefully in the future, Coinbase allows you to use the Walmart Debit Visa gift card on their app. But hopefully you found that video useful as well. And if so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.